If you have been on this channel before, you know that you have to change your mode from lazy mode to the hustle mode. Make your hustle mode on. You're not going to make money sitting on your couch doing nothing, just blaming yourself and watching YouTube videos. What happens is when you want something to happen, it will happen one day or the other. You have to keep trying, and you cannot just stop hustling. So please hustle and change your mode to lazy mode to the hustle mode now. You have come to this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we're gonna discuss how to use coronavirus, this pandemic situation which has been created right now, and how to take it to our advantage. One thing to remember is we are not making money out of a bad situation. We will add value to people's lives, and then we can and they can add value to our lives. So we're not making money out of bad situations and bad stories and just taking advantage of people. We're not doing that. So if your thinking is that, please uh, close this video and go to any other video. There are multiple videos online. So in this channel we don't talk about shit. We just talk about hustling. We talk about legitimate things and legitimate processes. So please continue watching this video with whole of your concentration. We are gonna jump right into it. So I've divided the whole process into multiple steps. So let's jump right onto the step number one. What's the step number one? Okay, so let's gonna see what's the ClickBank offer we are trying to see. What if you don't know, guys, what is ClickBank? ClickBank is a affiliate marketplace wherein you will get offers and you're gonna sell them and make a huge profit out of it. So that's the easiest way to make your freedom. So let's just go to ClickBank. You can sign up on ClickBank. There are multiple videos on YouTube if you don't know how to sign up. So go to ClickBank, sign in, and then go to Marketplace. Yeah, and come here, right here, and then go to Find Products, and then search Pandemic. If you when you search Pandemic, all these results will come. Um, you know, see this top offer, Virus Pandemic Preparedness Guide. Let's open this. So this is a survival product in which you can there are multiple videos or content on the way on survival, how people gonna survive, any preparedness what they want to do, and a simple guide on how to prepare for the disaster preparedness checklist, you can say that. So we're not gonna just sell people anything. This is, I mean, the most important thing right now. And what we're gonna do is, you can see it. Average sale is $11.77. So if you sell one of these products through this step I'm gonna teach you afterwards, we're gonna make $11.77 per sale, and that's huge. Uh, so this is the first step, finding this offer, and then go to promote, and then generate your hop link, and this is your link, right? You can just copy it from here and then send all the traffic to this link directly. Okay, so what's the next step? The next step is make videos. So how we're gonna make videos is we will use Content Samurai. This is the hack. Nobody will teach you all this. Go to contentsamurai.com. Here is the website, contentsamurai.com, and you can start your free trial right now. No credit card required, nothing required. Just go to start your free trial. You'll know how to start your free account. Okay, you'll get a free account for 7 days. If you want to increase that I mean, if you want to buy a account, you can do that, or you can make multiple accounts on this Content Samurai once your 7-day period is over. So first of all, make a free account on Content Samurai. No credit card is required. Once you start sign up, you go to sign in. As always, you know all this stuff, right? Go to sign in and just okay. My free trial has expired, it says. So let's try to create a free account on Content Samurai. So let's go to free trial and then start your free trial. Go to click start your free trial, and then we have to give our name and address. So what we'll do is we'll create, for now we'll create a temporary email account, and then gonna create a temporary account, free account on Content Samurai. So here's the step, right? um okay, we're gonna copy this email ID, this temporary email ID, paste this here, and we're gonna write any name, get access now. So success, we're gonna receive a verification email. So let's refresh this. You're gonna hustle up, man. Come on, you're gonna hustle up. We should all hustle up, man. Your hard work changes into freedom, isn't it? Yeah. So let me refresh again and keep your mind fresh and be nice to people, right? Like in this pandemic situation, it's very important to keep you calm and composed, and then help people around you. Maybe distribute your sweet food to all the people around you, to the beggars, to the poor people, right? um it's not refreshing. Okay, so we're gonna go to another website and then create a temporary email. That's okay, that's okay. Right, back, start a free trial. Yeah, and this time we'll copy this email ID, right? Just go to any temporary email website, they'll give you a temporary email, and then use that. Okay, keep your mind composed, and then it's all just things that you should know, and you will know if you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so we're gonna refresh this. We get a verification email. Here's the thing, and you're just gonna click this, set your password here. For now, let me keep the password like NIK, and then NIK again, and then agree, and then continue. It's very simple, the process. Yeah. So we got a free account for 7 days, as you can see here. Also 6 days, I mean 7 days left. So you go to my account, and let's save this um, thing for future references, the email and the password, right? Start using the app, and go to create a new video. What you have to do is find legitimate articles in coronavirus. That's very important thing. So we're gonna go to ignore video, coronavirus. Go to any legitimate information of coronavirus, and just copy that. Make sure it's valuable and it's um, informational. That's very important. So we copy this, and then we go to Content Samurai, and then we have to select a template. So we select this template, use this template. Then we're going to paste our script right out there. Okay, coronavirus. Copy and then just write your script here, right? And the hack is below every content you paste on the content summary, you have to mention that if you want survival guide, if you want a survival guide, click the link in the click the link in the description. So what will this software do is make videos directly from the content, right? So we give the give it a title. So what we're gonna do is it will create a video directly from the text. You're gonna submit the script. We have created a script. Below that script we have wrote if you want a survival guide, click the link in the description. In the description of the video there will be that of affiliate link. So we're gonna go to the voice, we go to auto voice, and then it just places an auto voice from its side. You don't have to show our face, you don't have to do audio, or you don't have to do voiceovers, you don't have to do nothing. This is the hack. Okay, we go to download and then download our video, generate our video first of all, and then download our video directly, and then we're gonna get our video. So we go to generate your video and then download that. Okay, that's very simple process. So what's the next step? Okay, content summary done. Register for free account, yes, we have done that. Upload on YouTube. Okay, so you all know how to upload on YouTube, right? If you get the you go to generate your video and download the video, and then you go to YouTube and then upload that video as it is, and make sure you create a nice looking thumbnail for your YouTube video, and obviously optimize that, and just search on anywhere how to optimize a YouTube video, how to use SEO, and how to write the description and the title, and create a beautiful template or thumbnail for the video, and you're going to upload all the videos on YouTube. And below that you're gonna, for example, if this is the video you have created, so below the description, the first link in the description would be the survival guide affiliate link. So you're gonna write the survival guide affiliate link and then the link. So make sure you use the Bitly software to create a short link for that big link. Remember, we had this big ugly looking link, and then we have to just copy this, and then we have to go to Bitly and then create a short link for that. And then on the video itself you're going to place that link. And the whole idea is to make bulk videos, so try making 20-30 videos per day, and then create beautiful templates and thumbnails for them, and then bulk upload it on YouTube. That is how you get free traffic, and then you get free traffic on that link of your affiliate product. Then you're gonna make sales, and then you're gonna make some money. But remember, you don't not making money out of the bad situation, out of people, and then making them afraid. Use the content that is legitimate and quality, high quality, and this is how you do it, right? For this, on this channel only, you'll get all this legitimate good content, right? On YouTube there are multiple average quality content, small content, pretty bad, below average content, but on this channel you'll get high quality content. So please subscribe for my motivation. That's my motivation. If you subscribe, that's my motivation. Come on, man. Hustle mode on. Please subscribe to this channel, right? Yeah. So thank you for, and you can like and subscribe to this channel. We'll meet soon. Thank you. Take care. Take care.